In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the Taptap Send application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you've got an Android or iOS, just open up your Player App Store and then we need to click on the search. From here it says search apps and games. Type in Taptap Send and then hit enter. Here it is here, so I'm going to click into it. So time recording, it's got over 5 million downloads and 140,000 reviews. So this is the one we want to download and install. So click on the blue install button, and what this is going to do, this is going to download and install it onto your mobile device just like any other app. And then once it's download and install, you want to go ahead and open up Taptap Send, and you want to either sign in or sign up to start using Taptap Send. So we've got a login sign up button, or you can continue with Google. From there you need to verify your account before you can start sending or receiving money as well, so keep that in mind.